Alright, so here are the Unit 1 examples for Section 1.1. Perfect squares. Perfect squares from 1 times 1 all the way up to 20 times 20. So the perfect square is not the 1 times 1 itself, but it is the answer. So 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81, 100, 121, 144, 169, 196, 225, 256, 289, 324, 361, and 400 are the perfect squares. So squaring a number. This is from one of our previous sections, but just to remind you, a number squared is equal to itself times itself. Because we are dealing with a decimal here, let's forget that there's a decimal and multiply it as if it is 32 times 32. And then we look at our numbers we were multiplying. There's one decimal place in 3.2 and one decimal place in 3.2. That means my answer is going to have two decimal places. So my answer is 10.24. Alright, square rooting a perfect square. The easiest way to do this is to break down the number under the square root sign. So 144 is equal to 2 times 72, which is equals to 2 times 2 times 36, 2 times 2 times 2 times 18, 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 9, which is equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. Now we can group these together and we can see that there is two bunches of 2 times 2 times 3, which means 2 times 2 times 3 squared. And if we multiply that together, what's in the brackets there, we get 12 squared. So now we are square rooting 144, which is equal to square root of 12 squared. And we know that square root sign cancels out the power of 2. So we get the answer of 12. Alright, square rooting a perfect square fraction. The way I like to do this is split it up into numerator and denominator, calculate each other separately, and then put it back together as a fraction. So the square root of 25 is 5 squared, and that is equal to 5. The square root of 36 is equal to the square root of 6 squared, which is equal to 6. And that is equal to 5 over 6, because we just put it back together as a fraction. Now square rooting a perfect square decimal. The way I like looking at this is we know when we multiply to get 3.24 that because we have two decimal places in 3.24, the two numbers that multiply together must have one decimal place. So square root of 324, as we know from that list of perfect squares, is 18. We put that back into our blanks and we get 1.8. And that is the examples for section 1.1.